Okay, so you went to YouTube and you saw an eye-catching thumbnail that you want to replicate, and you don't know how you're going to do that. So in this video, I'm going to show you a free tool that you can use to replicate, or you can use to design whatever thumbnail that you come across on YouTube. As simple as that. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit on the subscribe button, like the video, and then turn the bell notification to all notifications, so that whenever I drop an amazing video, YouTube will send notifications instantly, guys. Without further ado, let's get everything started. So let's take it that we want to replicate this thumbnail over here. All you need to do is to copy the link, or just hit on that to copy the link address. So the next step that you can follow is to download this thumbnail onto your PC. So I just want to replicate this thumbnail over here, so I'll need to download this thumbnail onto my PC. So I'll leave the links in the description below and the pinned comment section. All you need to do is to click on that so that you can find the rightful website to visit. So I have all these things listed over here. So what I need to do is to come to this section where it says thumbnail grabber, thumbnail downloader over here. So I'll just copy that and then paste it in my browser like this. And okay, so I'll just paste and go. So what I need to do is to copy the YouTube link right over here by just copy link address and then come back to this place and then paste it over here. So with the help of this, I'm just going to get the full thumbnail over here. So I'll just have to download or save it into my computer by just doing it this way. So I'll just have to download it onto my PC. So the next step is to ask ChatGPT to analyze this picture for you. So I'll just have to do it this way. So you have two major ways of doing that. So the first thing is to use ChatGPT to do that, and then the second thing that you can do is to go to this platform called clade.ai. So I'll just go to clade.ai. So this platform helps you to analyze and generate the prompt automatically. So as soon as you upload the video or the picture over here, this platform will notice that you just want to replicate, or just want to you just want a prompt for this that image that you uploaded. So it's going to be very easy for you. So let me bring this thing right over here and then just hit on that to allow it to do its work. So what I'm going to do right now is to hit on enter, right, and it's going to analyze this thumbnail over here for us. All right, so after waiting for some time, this is what the image brought. So you can see that there are digits right over here that was on the thumbnail. So let's open it. You can see 257k over here, and you can see 257k. So this is how it comes, the prompt that will be given to you. So what you need to do is to copy this prompt and go to this website over here. So you just have to create an account with this platform. This platform is audiogram.ai. So what you need to do is to come to this session and paste the prompt over here. So the settings that you need to do is to using by 16 by 9 over here, and then the style over here you just have to use auto, and the default one, just leave it on default. The color, you just have to leave it on auto. So it's going to generate everything for you. So 16 by 9 is for the YouTube thumbnail. So hit on generate and it's going to generate for you guys. So you just have to wait for it. The magic is happening over here. So whilst it's loading, take this advantage, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this, YouTube sends notifications instantly, guys. So let's wait for it. So these are some of the images that was being brought by this AI. So you can check it right over here. This is the image, and you can see it's quite different, but you see the image quality is very high. You can see this one too. So you just have to don't have to copy and replicate everything, but you just have to become very decent, and it will bring it up to you different pictures over here that you can use as your thumbnail. This is because I use auto default whilst I was about to generate the picture. So I'll just regenerate this image again by just coming to this section. Instead of style I'll just use realistic over here. So you just have to use realistic over here. If you leave it on auto, this is what you're going to get, and if you leave it on random, it's going to give you another one. So let's be realistic over here and just hit or generate, and it's going to generate another one for us. Simple as that. So you just have to be very specific on whatever you want to get on this platform. Alright, so even though the pictures that do not look alike according to what you want, but you can see over here that it gives you a very good thumbnail that you can use. An eye-catching thumbnail was being generated by AI. So if you are to design this thumbnail, it will take you about 1 hour to do that. So this AI did it less than a minute. So it's very simple, and you can go ahead by using this kind of thumbnails on your pictures, on your YouTube videos, and you are going to get a lot of views on YouTube. So if you find this video helpful, can you subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon. By just for you to download this image, all you need to do is to go over here, go over here right now and hit on download. So you can see because you are using the free version, the paid version of this app is will give you 100% quality, but because you are using the free version, you can use this the 7 JPEG over here. So that one will reduce the quality to 70%. So this happens to go, and we have to use the next method to increase the image quality. So what you need to do is to use over here this image quality. So let's go to image upscaler over here to increase the image quality over here. So let's click I've copied that, and then let me paste that in my search bar, and then let's wait for it to load. Now you can see image upscaler. Now what I have to do is to come to this section of uploading the thumbnail that we downloaded over here from my downloads, and then I come to this section of that, and I have to wait for it to finish its magic. So it's going to bring up the image quality to a quality. So you can see the difference over here. So what I need to do is to come to the section of hitting download, and it's going to give me 100% quality of what we lost after generating the image over here. So you can choose from the thumbnails that we generated, and then you can use any of that for your YouTube videos. It can save you a lot of time, and is very good for beginners who are beginning from YouTube. So if you are starting on YouTube, it's very hard for you to design an eye-catching thumbnail. So you just have to come to this platform and then generate any thumbnail that you want, and you just have to upscale everything. And right after doing that, you can just go ahead by uploading them on your YouTube, and you are good to go. As simple as that. So this is how you generate a high quality thumbnail by using the power of AI. So if you find this video helpful, then can you subscribe, like the video, and turn on the bell icon, so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this, YouTube will send notifications instantly, guys.